I am very hungover. I have not drank and been this hungover in so long. I do not feel like a real person. But I ordered Chick-fil-A and I'm so excited. I don't know where to start. I ordered a banana pudding milkshake. I got the deluxe chicken sandwich. And then obviously I had to get a side of fries. And then I got Polynesian sauce and Chick-fil-A sauce. Their sauces are so good. Has what? Lettuce, tomato, cheese, chicken. Put some sauce on top. Okay, let's do Polynesian. Ah! Okay, Tam, for banana pudding shake. I've never had this flavor. I'm excited. That's the most incredible thing I've ever had in my entire life. Oh my god. I don't know what there's chunks inside of it. It's like cookie or wafer or I don't know what this is, but it's so good. Like, I think I'm in love with it. I've never felt this way before. I would drink one of these every single day for the rest of my life if I could. I'm in shock right now.